Welcome to Next General Rides, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, the latest car tech, and expert insights into the automotive world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 BMW M4, a performance machine that continues to push the boundaries of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 BMW M4 arrives with a refreshed design, refined aerodynamics, and improved performance. BMW has taken an already aggressive coupe and enhanced its visual appeal with sharper lines, redesigned LED headlights, and a more prominent kidney grille that continues to define the M lineup. The rear sports a revised diffuser and quad exhaust setup, emphasizing its track-ready nature. Lightweight materials, including carbon fiber components, reduce overall weight while enhancing stability and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M4 houses a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering up to 530 horsepower in the competition variant. This powerplant ensures rapid acceleration, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 3.5 seconds. The standard rear-wheel drive configuration provides an engaging driving experience, while BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system is available for those seeking enhanced traction and control. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, but enthusiasts can opt for a 6-speed manual, keeping the connection between driver and machine alive. Handling has been further fine-tuned, with BMW's adaptive M suspension offering a balance between daily comfort and track-ready performance. The chassis benefits from increased rigidity, and the electronically controlled limited slip differential enhances cornering stability. Steering response is sharp, giving drivers precise control whether on winding roads or high-speed straightaways. The M4 is also equipped with high-performance brakes, ensuring quick stops even under extreme conditions. The interior of the 2025 BMW M4 blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. Premium materials such as merino leather, carbon fiber trims, and Alcantara accents create a high-end feel. The driver-focused cockpit features BMW's latest curved display, integrating a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The latest iDrive system offers seamless connectivity, voice control, and an intuitive interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon sound system for an immersive audio experience. The M-Carbon bucket seats provide excellent support and can be adjusted electronically for optimal comfort. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable digital displays enhance the driving environment. The M4 also comes with a heads-up display, projecting vital information onto the windshield to keep the driver's focus on the road. BMW has packed the 2025 M4 with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and front collision warning come standard. Parking assistance, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking further improve safety and convenience. The M4 also includes BMW's latest AI-driven driver alert system, which detects fatigue and provides real-time recommendations to keep drivers aware and focused. Performance aside, the 2025 BMW M4 remains relatively fuel-efficient for a high-powered sports coupe. Thanks to intelligent cylinder deactivation and optimized aerodynamics, it achieves competitive fuel economy figures while still delivering exhilarating performance. BMW has also introduced mild hybrid technology in certain markets to enhance efficiency and provide an extra boost of power when needed. Customization options for the 2025 M4 allow buyers to personalize their vehicle to match their style. A wide range of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trim choices are available. The M Performance package adds exclusive styling elements, lightweight wheels, and carbon fiber enhancements for those seeking a more aggressive appearance. The 2025 BMW M4 remains a benchmark in the high-performance coupe segment, combining raw power, precision handling, and modern technology into a package that appeals to both driving purists and tech-savvy enthusiasts. It continues to compete with rivals like the Audi RS5 and Mercedes-AMG C63, offering a unique blend of German engineering and track-ready excitement. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 BMW M4. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next General Rides for more in-depth automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews on the latest cars and future innovations in the industry. See you in the next video.